Okay, this is my circular front garden in the front, and this year I kind of did an experiment, trying to cut down on economy and on costs. Normally I have this bird bath full of impatiens. Well, this year I decided to put a coleus in the middle. Well, as you can see, the coleus got kind of out of hand, I think. And this is my mum. Yeah, and I love cushion mums, but this is not a cushion mum. This is a sprawling out cushion mum. I mean, I think it's pretty, but it's far from a cushion mum. And this is my rhododendron, and in the springtime when it blooms, it is gorgeous. And it's already got its buds on it for next year. I'm telling you folks, you can't see the buds on this, I'm sure, but they are covered. And it's a rhododendron, and they're kind of a purpley color. They're all over. They do that. They set the buds on in the fall, and then it blooms next spring. But come next spring, we'll show you what a beauty it is. Geraniums and rose bushes. And that there's low one there, that's a glamarata, and it's a beautiful purple plant. But I gotta show you my cowboy boots. I think these are just as cute as they can be. But they've just really grown this year. This hen and chickens in there has just exploded. I've even got them on the ground. I got the little boy's cowboy boots. And that's pretty much it for that garden. And this garden over here is the one I'm going to be working on today. And it is so overgrown with trees. That's not supposed to be in there. And I'm going to cut this all down because we got winter coming. And I think this is kind of cool. Maybe I've told you and maybe I haven't. I like antiques. But I think this originally was at a gas station, and it had a ringer on it, and you know how when you'd pull up to the gas station and wash your windshield, because it was always a tub of, I don't know what they had in it, but anyway, it was wet, and we got a mosquito. Anyway, there was a rag in there, and you'd wring it out, then wash your windshield. That's what this was for. I think that's kind of cool. Okay. I think it's kind of cool. And this is my gazing ball, which is obvious, pretty obvious. Tree again in the back, but all of this is going to be cut down and cleared out. And after I get done, it's going to look very nice. But now it's just a big eyesore. And then there's this. This originally was a fertilizer box on an old John Deere planter. And I think it's just kind of cool. And there's a guy in town here that made all machinery, old machinery parts, and put this together for me. And I once again planted coleus in here, and some of them got a little out of hand. And this is my blooming crabapple tree. In the spring it's very pretty. And now I'm going to get to work. And now I want you to look at that pile over there. because I got that off of this garden. And I cut all my dead hosta blossoms off. And doesn't this garden look just about 100% better? Now come next spring, this garden's going to be very pretty. But right now it's just kind of going to sleep. Kind of going to sleep for wintertime. And wintertime in Iowa is winter time. It does go to sleep. But anyway, I think it looks a lot better. And I'm really happy with it. And guess what? That's all I'm going to do for today.